Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Australian firm Telstra Corporation today announced it completed the acquisition of Digicel Pacific. The purchase was backed by funding from the Australian government after a tax dispute between Papua New Guinea and Digicel threatened to stall the sale. Telstra in October last year agreed to buy the Pacific operations of Digicel, with the Australian government providing $1.33 billion and Telstra contributing $270 million. In April, Digicel said it was considering legal options after Papua New Guinea imposed a tax of almost $100 million, which could affect the $1.6 billion sale of its Pacific operations. Digicel is the largest mobile phone carrier in the Pacific with about 2.8 million subscribers. Jamaica has the sixth highest gas prices in the Caribbean region, according to fuel price ranking website Global Petrol Prices. Javon Keys has details.
Of the 162 countries ranked by the website globalpetrolprices.com, Jamaica had the 54th highest gas prices for the period up to July 11. Petrol locally costs an average $1.73 US per litre. That positions Jamaica sixth in the region for the highest gas prices, behind Cayman, the Bahamas, Aruba and Belize. Barbados had the highest petrol prices in the region, costing an average $2.34 US. That country has the seventh highest cost per litre for gas in the world. Haiti has the lowest fuel prices in the region, which is being sold for an average 57 cents US per litre, followed by Trinidad and Tobago and Suriname. With fuel costing an average $3.02 US, Hong Kong tops the ranking for the highest petrol prices in the world, followed by Iceland and Norway, while the cheapest fuel is being sold in Venezuela, costing US 2 cents per litre. Other oil producers Libya and Iran round out the top three cheapest countries. Looking at major global powers, the United States ranked 105th, with fuel prices going for an average $1.30 US per litre. The United Kingdom was 13th, going for $2.27, while China was at 91, with gas prices going for an average $1.40 US. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The U.S. currency is being sold for an average $152.44. $116.78 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $181.23 for the pound, and $153.32 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 30 points today, while the junior market index gained 6 points. Among the winners, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Access Financial Services, Blue Power Group, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. On the losing side, we had Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Jamaican Teas, KLE Group, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Epley Carbon Property Fund SCC. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.